Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to change our oil on this Toyota Camry. So if your car look like this, it's going to be the same procedure of changing the oil. I have a video for the older one, so if you're interested in the older one that have the cartridge, you can go ahead and check that video out. I will leave a link in the description for that. Also, please go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna open the oil cap just so it can flow more easy when you pull the drain plug, and the oil it take is set right here. That's the oil it take, 0W16. I don't know why it's so thin. Go ahead and raise the vehicle up. So once the oil filled, once the car is raised up, you want to go ahead and locate your service door. So your engine and the service door are going to be next to the passenger wheel, the right front wheel. It's going to be 10 millimeter. I already take them loose, that's why I can use my hand. And now we're gonna have access to our oil filter, which is this right here, our oil filter. And then right here is our drain plug, look to be 14 millimeter. So let's go ahead and remove the oil. So guys, it's 14 millimeter. As you see, I already take mine loose. There's gonna be 14 millimeter. Link will be in the description, guys, for the tools I use. So let the oil drain. So this is what I use, 14 millimeter with a ratchet handle for the oil to drain. And there you go. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. This right here is your washer. You can take it off and check it if it's good. If it look okay, you can reuse it. If it's not, you just change it or put it back. If it's not leaking, you put it back, and then you order one for the next oil change if you haven't ordered it already. And then the oil filter is right here, so we're gonna go ahead and try to get the oil filter off. So this is what we use, what I use. It's called an oil filter pliers or puller. Link will be in the description. And make sure you have something underneath it to catch it, because it will leak oil once you unscrew it, just like that. You can let it stay there and drain until it's finished. Once it's finished draining, you can take it out some more until you take it out all the way, just like that. So you just want to put your filter right here, and once you screw it and it touch the, you make a full circle. All right, so go ahead and turn it right around. Once you get it to make a full circle, you can go ahead and put the drain plug back on. Just like that. So once that's done, you want to put back your, tighten this also, and put back your cover. So after you put up your cover, you can go ahead and lower the car down. Rocco, watch out. So after you put 4.5 quart, you can pull out the stick and wipe it off. Alright.
Put me here?
Yeah. And push it back in. Pull it out again. Check it. It's at the mark. You have the high and low mark. So that's good. We're gonna go ahead and start the vehicle. And once we start the vehicle, so it takes 4.5 quarts so far. So we're gonna go ahead and start the vehicle. Let the oil circulate throughout the engine. And once you do that, you wanna let it run for. So what you wanna do is just start the vehicle. And while you start the vehicle, you can reset the oil light at the same time by using this. So once you press that, you're gonna tell you maintenance required, so you can reset this. You're gonna press, this is what you're gonna use. So you wanna press and press right till you go all the way to the setting. Then you scroll down. See this vehicle setting. Then you scroll down to schedule maintenance. Push OK. Press up and then push OK. And that's gonna reset your maintenance required light. And after that, you just want to go ahead and back out of that, go back to what setting you had, turn the car off, let it sit for 2 minutes. And once it sits for 2 minutes, you want to check your oil again. If it's too low, then you can add more. If it's too high, then you drain out. But it's not going to be too high, it's going to be too low because the filter going to full up. So if you need more, add more, and that's it. Peace out, see you next time.